house of contrasts, Sugar Shack fits between a steep ravine on one side and a garden with a pool on the other, its volume curving gently to reconcile these two landscapes as light moves through the house in sequence. The palette combines clear sealed steel, white oak, and exposed concrete, creating tactile contrasts between light and dark surfaces that remain serene throughout the day. Designed by Alterstudio Architecture, the house is located in Austin, Texas. The building's massing is restrained and precise, while inside, the linear sequence naturally leads from living to dining to more intimate spaces, always with the landscape close at hand. Along a linear spine, the spaces unfold in series, following the terrain. The living area opens wide to bring daylight deep into the interior, with window frames positioned to block neighboring views while preserving generous natural light. Ceilings were detailed to appear as continuous planes. Light fixtures are grouped within slim steel channels to minimize their presence and allow the eye to flow uninterrupted through the spaces. At the curve's inflection point, a breakfast nook appears lined in blue velvet, illuminated by a delicate pendant and anchored by an Eero Saarinen table. Even outlets and media controls are recessed into steel panels, reducing visual noise and emphasizing the precision of the material palette. Windows were conceived as planes framing two realities. On one side, the manicured courtyard and garden. On the other, the dramatic ravine with tall canopies and shifting shadows. With an area of 3,570 square feet, approximately 332 square meters, the scale feels comfortable, and the layout takes full advantage of the site by maximizing daylight and connections to the outdoors. Sugar Shack is a house that favors quiet precision. It organizes daily life along a clear axis, manages views with intelligence, and transforms two external worlds, the garden and the ravine, into a living part of the experience of home.